In this video, I'm going to show you 10 websites that you can make $100 per day in 2019. And you don't need any special skills. And I'm even going to throw in one extra one. If you don't like online and you want to do it around you, that one will be in there too, so stay tuned. Hey, Thomas Garetz here. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm just hopping right into my computer on this one. But before we get started, what I do on this channel, it's everything affiliate marketing, make money online. So if that's the kind of content you like, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell too, so you get notified every time I upload. Now, the first two I'm going to combine as just number 10 for both of them because they're kind of the same. So it's Clickbank and JVZoo. Okay, so I got them both open here. So they're affiliate networks and they're pretty much just digital products. You can find some physical products, but really not many. I've honestly never seen any, but they do say that they have some physical products. And how it works is you do affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is where you promote products that aren't yours. And you get a commission when someone purchases through your affiliate link. Okay, so that's one way. And just to throw in another example, Amazon Associates, that's not on the list, but Amazon has the biggest affiliate network in the world. So just so you know that affiliate marketing isn't like a scam or anything, this is a legitimate business model. Okay, I just wanted to throw that in there. So the next one for number 9 is Swagbucks. Okay, so this is where you can do different types of surveys or you can shop and earn. Okay, so this one obviously costs a little bit of money to do, which is fine. So it's money you're going to be spending anyways. So this is a super cool website. I actually use it and they have tons of brands on here that you definitely shop at. I mean, Target, eBay, Amazon, like it's just free money. So that's number 9. Number 8 is Flippa. Okay, and Flippa is awesome if you don't have a website and you just want to get like an already created website that's already making money. You can go on here and you can actually buy websites that are currently making money. Obviously, there's some that are going to be more expensive, right? Like $100,000. But you click on it and you can see in here that annual revenue is $164,000. So if you got money, look, asking price $50,000. So if you have money, this could be a very good investment for you. Okay, so that's number 8. So for number 7, this is actually the bonus one that you can actually make money around you. And it's definitely a website you've heard of. And number 7 is Craigslist. Okay, so if you've been on Craigslist before, you probably ignored the jobs part, right? But you can find jobs near you, right? And you can even find jobs online. There's a lot of ways to make money with Craigslist, and this is just an amazing website. You know of Craigslist, so this is just another added option where you can just go out and do work, or you can find stuff for free on Craigslist and go sell it. Tons of ways to make money with Craigslist. So that's number 7. Now number 6 is actually one of my favorite, and I mentioned this website before, but I didn't mention this part of the website. So for number 6, we have Kindle Direct Publishing. So this is where you can make like an ebook and publish it on here and sell it and make money, right? So if you're like, oh, I don't really know how to do that, you're gonna have to hire someone to make one for you. Now I have 2 sites. It's gonna be number 5 and number 4. I'm gonna show you number 5 first because I personally have used it a little more. So number 5, we have Fiverr. And look, Swagbucks pops up. See, I told you I use it. So Fiverr, you can see I have messages and stuff. I use Fiverr because it's a place where you can get freelancers for very cheap. But on the other side of that, you can also use it to make money by being the freelancer, right? So if you have a skill, you can go put yourself on here and it takes a little bit of time to get known because you have to get feedback and that's what it goes off, like reviews and stuff like that. But you can go on Fiverr and write ebook, right? So look, I will create your captivating ebook or ebook cover, right? So it's super simple to find that. And then you could go put it on Kindle Direct Publishing and make money. And that's passive income because once it's on there, you only have to make it once and you can sell it time and time again because it's a digital product, right? So this is number 5. And then number 4 is basically the same thing. And number 4, if you haven't heard of it, it's Upwork. And Upwork.com is great. You have to really know what you're doing on here because you can find a lot of people on here who are just applying to every job and they're not really looking at it and they're not going to work that hard. So you really got to weed out the people. You can do this a couple different ways by like asking for certain things in your description. Like I want a video message or I want you to type this word to me to make sure they actually read your whole description. Right? So Upwork.com is another place where you can be a freelancer and you can make money online very, very easy. And just so you know, this $100 a day, the reason I made that as the title is because that's what people are searching in on YouTube. You can make much more than $100 a day with any of these websites, guaranteed. So number 3 is kind of like the last 2, which I think these are great ways to get started. And the reason why I have them so high up on the list is because there's a lot of people, probably you included, who are looking to make money online, but they don't have any money, right? They don't have any budget. You may not have any budget. So you're looking for ways to make money online with zero money. So these are all very good ways to do that. And the next one is another good way to do that, okay? So this one is Text Broker. And this is where you can write content as a freelancer. So this is another great way to make money online if you have no money at all and you have a skill that you can use to make money. So unfortunately, there's no magic pill that you can take and just get rich overnight online. Right? I hope you understand that. If you don't, it's going to be a tough pill to swallow. I was there. I thought it was super easy to make money online when I first started. It's not. You got to work. But this is a great way to get started and to grow your dream on top of it, right? So this is a great way to be able to work from home and do your freelancing, but work in your spare time on growing your business, right? So it's another great way, and that's why it's so high up on the list. And the next one is actually very good. The more skills you start getting, this next one is great. So for number 2, I have YouToMe. And no one seems to mention this one on all the videos on YouTube. No one talks about YouToMe. And it's such a great place because once you get some skills, if you're doing freelance or whatever, right, you're going to get these skills. And there's people out there who want to learn these skills. So what you could do is record a video of yourself, just like you're watching right now. You're watching a video about how to do something. You can make a course, record it one time, do the work one time, put it on Udemy, and sell it time and time again, right? So that's passive income. You can make much more money doing that because it sells over and over and over again, right? You just do the work one time. Passive income. Okay, remember that. So that's number 2. And I'm going to go with 1.5 because I have one bonus one for you. So 1.5 is going to be what you're watching right now. I didn't add it because I don't know, a lot of people think it's so difficult to make videos and make a YouTube channel and grow a YouTube channel. And it's not easy. I'm going to be honest with you, it's not. But it's going to pay you time and time again, okay? And all you have to do is not give up. It may sound easy, but it's not. It's simple, but it's not easy, okay? And all you got to do is be consistent, upload videos, pick a niche, and you can do it too. I promise you. So number 1 is my all-time number 1 recommendation to make money online. Drum roll, please. And that is Legendary Marketer. Okay, this is by far the one thing that changed everything for me. And I only discovered it a couple months ago, right? And I didn't get into it up until recently. But going through the training, it changed everything. And there's a lot of bad rep online about this, and I don't know why, because either you're gonna find people who are promoting it and say it's the best thing, or people who hate it but promote something else, right? So for someone who got into it recently and has completely unbiased review of it, it is completely game-changing, especially if you're new to the game, right? So I'm a little more advanced, right? I'm not gonna say I'm a professional. I've been doing this for years, right? But I know what I'm doing, okay? And I understand things. But for someone who's brand new, and even for me, the training on here is top-notch. There is nothing in the market anywhere near this, and that's 100% truth, okay? And once again, this isn't completely free, but they have revamped the whole website where it's so simple to get involved, and I'll have a link below to get into it, but this is the 15-day challenge, okay? This just breaks down and rebuilds your entire mindset, teaches you how to make a business from start to finish, and then also, the thing that I really truly love is the Marketers Club, and this is only $30 a month, and they show live classes every week, and it's just insane. They have all these interviews with Kevin Harrington from Shark Tank, Nathan Lucas from YouTube, right? Freedom Influencer, Mark Harbert. And then they have the journey to 250,000 subscribers with Nathan Lucas. And then they have all this stuff. Look, 12 videos, 149 minutes, 4 videos, 42 minutes, 6 videos, 66 minutes, 9 videos, 84 minutes. This stuff is insane. And David Sharp, me and him relate a lot, right? He went through heroin addiction. I went through heroin addiction. And when you go through stuff like that, you truly see the world from a different angle, right? And I haven't really talked about this stuff on my YouTube channel much, but I'm not just saying this to try and sell you, right? I truly believe that this could change your life and make you see the other side, right? It's all about mindset. It truly is. So I really hope you enjoyed these websites, but even if this is the only one you choose, and this is the one I suggest, you can change your life, guaranteed. It's going to be the first link in the description, my #1 recommendation. And I'm not going to tell you that it's easy. Just like I said before, nothing's easy online. There's no easy way to make money in life, right? But this, if you work it, it will reward you so much more than any job or freelancing or anything like that. I promise you. So if you're ready to work and you're ready to make some money, this is the #1 recommendation, 100%. So again, first link in the description. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, make money online, you can watch these videos right here. But just make sure to press my face right here so you can subscribe to the channel to see more videos just like this one. And if you really liked it, give me a like. And that's all I got. I'll catch you next week.